areas of the world live in their different types of houses. Similarly, in our country, in our state, in our town, city, village, we live in different types of houses according to our surroundings. People of the world live in different types of houses according to their surroundings and according to their environment. Some houses are big, large, whereas some houses are small. These houses depends upon the environment of surroundings, climate of that place and different conditions. So houses are maybe big or small. So according to a structure of houses, there are so many types of houses in this world, and people of this world live in different types of houses according to their surroundings. According to their surroundings, different people live in different types of houses. Some houses, so basically, when we classify houses according to their component material by which they made, there are two types of houses, that is kacha house and pakka house. As we make our house by using different materials, so according to materials by which houses are made, there are two types of houses, pakka house and kacha house. Kacha house is those houses which are made up of straw, mud and sticks. Kacha houses are made up of straw, mud and sticks, whereas pakka house, those houses which are made up of cement, concrete, steel, bricks, these houses are called as pakka house. Means pakka houses are made up of steel, iron rod, cement, sand, concrete, bricks. By using these materials, pakka houses are made. Except these two types of houses, kacha house and pakka house, other types of houses are also found in the world in different places. That is caravan. Some people not stay on one place, as our houses are stable. Our houses do not move, either that is pakka house or kacha house. But some people move one place to another place. So those people live in caravan. That is movable. Caravan is house made up of on wheels, and by wheels they can move their houses from one place to another place. Some people live on boat in lake area where there is water sources. Some people live on boat, so those houses are called as houseboat. Some people make temporary house by using tent, plastic or cloth tent. Some people live in tent. In some area of the world where there is more amount of snow, ice, people make house by using snow, ice, and the house made up of ice is called igloo. House made of ice, snow, that is called igloo. So igloo is house made up of snow, ice. Pakka house we have already known. Some houses are weak. There are so many floors. Some houses are kacha house and only these houses have only single room, that is also called hut. Some houses are made up of on stilts, which in those areas where there is possibility of flood, so their houses are made up of pillars of iron, wood on stilts. Bungalow, large buildings which have so many facilities, attractions, these are bungalow. So these are different types of houses according to their structure. These houses are caravan, houseboat, tent. These houses are temporary houses. Caravan, houseboat, tent. These houses are temporary houses because these houses can move from one place to another place. People can move these houses from one place to another place. So these are temporary houses. Whereas pakka house, multi-story building which have so many floors, hut, house on stilts, kacha house, bungalow, these are permanent house. These houses cannot be moved from one place to another place. You have listened the names nomads. Nomads are those peoples who do not stay on one place, as we already stay in our houses. But some people move from one place to another place for their food requirement, for their livelihood. So they live in caravan. So they live in tent. And those people which do not stay on one place, they move one place to another place. These peoples are called as nomads. And nomads live in caravan or tent. So these are temporary house. And in those areas where there is lake, as for example in Kashmir there is lake, so many lakes, Dal Lake, Bular Lake. So there people live temporary on houseboat. On boat they make roof, temporary roof, and live on boat to catch fish or other requirement. So these are temporary houses. So these are different types of houses according to their formation and structure material. These houses are caravan, houseboat, tent, igloo. Igloo is made up of snow. Where there is more amount of snow, ice, there is house is made up of snow. Igloo, pakka house, multi-story building, house on stilts, huts, kacha house, and bungalow. So these are different types of houses in which different people live according to their surroundings. So this is the first lecture for your 6th chapter, housing. In next lecture I will discuss more about your 6th chapter. For today that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.